I'm shuffling.
What's up, YouTube? Slim Tim Instagram's Mr. Fired Up, bringing y'all the teardown of the 30-gallon. Looks kind of naked without the canopy sitting on top of it, don't it? Like I said, if y'all remember, I made both the standing canopy for my 55 and 30-gallon. My mother has spoken up and says she wants the 30-gallon. So, it's going to have a new home. Maybe still being recorded. See what we can get out of that, shall we? Alright. Let's yank all the plants and the fish out and see how many plants are going out to the winners. Going to South Carolina, New York and California. I'll be right back. By the way, the Florida boxes. Check out this. Look at this. You see that? That's substrate with those roots. Look at that! Holy moly! You see that? Whoa! You want to see that again? Watch this. Watch this. I got like 4 in my hand right here. Watch this. Bam! Look at that. Uh-huh. That's the green crips. And look at that. There's about 4, 5 of them. 6 of them. Alright, look at that. Last green crip Wendete. Look at that. That is substrate. Look at that. That one grew. See, look at that. That one grew at least 3 more. And then remember, I plugged these just like that. And this is what I got when I propagated them. Red Reuben looks like starting to get dirty in there. Oh. Well, as I always say, hold on, let's get the other one. See how much it got. Yeah, it's got some fair roots. But as I always say, and Dustin Fish Tank say, swords do better in dirt. Let's look at the bronze Wendetes. Remember now, this is just substrate. Oh, look at that. That is a shooter. Look at that. Oh goodness, it's attached to another one. Look at, oh look. Man, check this out. Let's get the other one. Oh, dang, about dropped y'all. My. Now for the Gramfolia swords. Huh? They did okay in there. Let's get the other one too. Yeah, look at that. Each one of y'all getting a Gramfolia sword and the Red Reuben sword. My oh my. See that? Turn that light off. See, that makes it better. But like I said, I got the Kambamba, the green Wendete, the bronze Wendete. Like I said, look at this. I'm getting some good styles. Piles, people. Once again, more Kambamba, the green crib, the bronze crib. Got the swords already packed. Fired up! Well, there it is, people. Completely tore down. Got the gravel substrate mix right there. Got another piece of driftwood I never got around to using. But like I said, we set this tank up in my mom's house, so could still be recording. Alright, heading to the post office. Please like, comment, and WNS, people. Fired up to the next video.